Hey y'all, if you're over 50 and thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I just want to tell you guys that you're not behind. In fact, you might be in a better position than anybody else starting right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what actually works on YouTube today, not trends, not fluff, not theory, but what actually gets you some results. So if we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Jolene. I am the YouTuber of 50 and Fearless, and I have two other YouTube channels, one which is already monetized and does really well. It's called Home Stitchery Decor, which is my business here behind you, but I was feeling like it just wasn't enough, and I wanted to kind of get to know some people who are creators over 50. So I did start this channel a year ago, and I do have a few videos up on it, but I actually stopped working on it because I just wanted to really focus, first of all, on getting my other channel monetized and really stable. And as I started working on this channel, I was like, wait a second, I'm not practicing what I'm preaching here, and I can do better and I can have more fun with it. So I decided I would just slow down a little bit and then regroup and come back. So I built a real business with my other channel, Home Stitchery Decor, and this is what I see happening over and over again. People who are over 50, myself included, we are really holding ourselves back, and we don't have to. And I think some of it is because we think, oh my gosh, it's too late to start with this, and this isn't for my age group, and everybody's so far ahead of me technologically. And I'm telling you right now, it doesn't have to be that complicated. It can actually be easier. So I'm going to, try with this channel to help you out a little bit. But let's go. So I think we need to start shifting the belief that being over 50 is like a disadvantage, because if you use it properly, you are actually at the biggest advantage because you have experience, you have real life knowledge, you have skills that people are actually searching for. A lot of younger creators, they're just trying to go viral and they're like chasing trends and stuff, but they're not actually doing their own thing. They're just kind of copying what everybody else is doing. And people don't go to YouTube just to watch trends. They go to YouTube to try to solve problems. And that's where you, my friend, can win. You don't actually have to be trendy. Okay? What you can be instead is useful because you have the experience. So the first thing that actually works on YouTube is clarity. Most people start a YouTube channel and they start just posting. No plan, no direction, no real focus. And then they're wondering, like, what the heck is happening? You need to be clear on two things on YouTube. What your channel is about and who is it for. Not, I talk about life, not I share what I'm doing. That's maybe a little bit too broad, but you can try to do something specific, because when you're clear, your audience knows exactly why they should watch you, and then they'll come back and watch you some more. So solving problems really works on YouTube. You can create content that solves problems. So people go to YouTube for things like how to start, ... how to fix, ... how to learn, ... how to grow, ... And your job as a 50-year-old content creator or 50-year-old and older content creator is to show up with some answers. And if your videos are built around solving real problems, they should actually grow on YouTube. If you can get 1 subscriber on YouTube, I promise you, you can get 1,000. So if your videos are kind of random and all over the place, those might work after you get a little bit of an audience, but I would stick to trying to help people with something to begin with. So the next thing we're going to talk about is consistency. So you don't have to post a video every day, but I mean, you should show up regularly. I try to do a once a week schedule, which is what I was doing when this channel first started, and then I took a break. I'll tell you why I took a break in a minute. A lot of people are going to wait until everything is perfect, and they're going to wait until they have the right camera, the right lighting, the right setup. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start building some momentum, because probably people aren't going to watch your first videos anyway. They're going to kind of suck. So what you're doing there is you're just getting the reps in and getting the practice in, and you'll get better as you go along. So every time you show up, you're going to actually be learning something and you're going to get better. And then by the time people are actually watching your videos, you should have some skills in your back pocket to create better videos, basically. So when you're consistent, you build some skills. Your skills build confidence, and confidence builds growth. So try to stick with that plan and learn from that. So here's the fourth thing that actually works. Every video should have like a purpose. Why were you making it? Who is the video for? What problem does the video solve? And when you start thinking this way, everything's going to change and you're going to stop guessing and you're going to start building something transitional and something intentional. Okay, so here's why I took a break. I took a break from my channel because I actually wanted to do something bigger and I needed the headspace to actually get in there and get it done. And as you watch me, you're going to figure out I'm a hand talker. So hi, I'm Jolene, the hand talker. But what I did was I took a mental, just a mental minute, I guess is what it should be called, to sit down and figure out what I really wanted for my life. And what I really want is to have passive income. I want to be able to retire off of YouTube. I want to be able to help some people in my community. I want to have my craft business where I work solely from home, which is on my other channel. But I also want to help people that are in my age range gain confidence and start building their own YouTube businesses with income that they could make to take them into retirement. So when I took my break, I actually wrote a book. And my book is called From Zero to YouTuber. It's the ultimate guide to starting and scaling your YouTube channel. So my book is available on Amazon. I will put, if I can put a QR code here, I have to learn how to do that for this video. Put a QR code here if I can. Otherwise, it'll be in the video description and the first comment of this video once it's published, and you can go and grab a copy of my book. So my book is an actual, basically it's a course that would cost you, thousands of dollars if you're trying to get it from another YouTuber, that takes you through the exact steps of how to grow your business. So I do have some recommendations from people on my book already. I am now a guest speaker at Bow Valley College here in Calgary, Alberta, to their marketing class. And that's gone really well. And then, of course, I have book reviews on Amazon about the book. So it's an actual course. I don't tell my story in the book because nobody cares about my story. They just want to learn how to do it. And I was like, if I slow down on making my YouTube channel and write a book about it, I could actually reach more people. So that's what I did. So if you're serious about doing this, here's the book for you. Okay. So you don't need to be younger. You don't need to be more tech savvy. You don't need to have a huge audience to start. You just need the right approach. So I want you guys to remember this is not about your age. If I can do this, anybody can do this. I promise you. It's not that hard, and the book will help you, and I'm going to help you on this channel here as well. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, I would start right away. And if you want help with that, that's what this channel is for. I'm going to walk you through it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye now.